All right, hello everybody. Today we're going to be working on partial quotient division, and I'm going to start off by helping you out on your homework that is going home on October 3rd. That's Thursday, and it's due next Monday. So partial quotient division involves taking away chunks. So the first problem on your homework is 7,536 divided by 7. This is called partial quotient division, or sometimes you hear it referred to as the big 7 because we draw a big 7 as we solve. The idea of this method of division is to use facts and to use information that you already know, and I love to use powers of 10. So in this case, I've got 7,536 divided by 7. Well, I know that 7 times 1 equals 7, and I know 7 times 10 is 70. I know 7 times 100 is 700, and I know 7 times 1,000 gives you 7,000. So I'm going to start off with 1,000. Woo, that is really messy. Sorry, guys. I should erase that. That's embarrassing. That was really messy. Okay. There we go. So 7 times 1,000 gives us 7,000. So I'm going to take away this chunk. I'm taking away a big chunk right away, and that's the most efficient way to use this strategy. I could have used 100 here and bit away chunks of 700 if I wanted. I could bite away chunks of any size. But I think the bigger the chunk you can bite away, the better, because it makes it go a lot faster. So when I do my subtraction, I get 536 left. Now, obviously this 7 times 100 is too big. So what I like to do is think, how many times would 7 go into 53? So I know that 7 times 7 gives me 49. So 7 times 70 would give me 490. And so I'm going to bite away this chunk next. So I'm going to go ahead and take this away. And I'm just using things I know because I want the math to be easy. I don't want to have to go off to the side and write a bunch of stuff out. I just want to be as efficient with this method as possible. So 13 minus 9 gives me 4. So now I have 46 divided by 7. And that's going to give me a 6 here, because 6 times 7 is 42. So 6 minus 2 gives me 4. Now this is as far as I can go because 7 doesn't go into 4. I can't bite away any more 7s. So this is going to be my remainder. And to solve the problem, I'm just going to add 1,000 plus 70 plus 6. So I get 1,076, remainder 4 as my answer. Now, like I said, you could bite away different size chunks and you would still get the same answer. But again, my goal is to be as efficient as I can, so I want to bite away the biggest chunks possible. Now, the best part about this method is that dividing with 2-digit divisors is a little bit easier. I know that you all love the standard method of division because this is what you're used to, but you don't have a lot of experience yet dividing with 2-digit divisors, so this could make it a little bit easier. Now, as I solve this, I'm going to start off again by taking out chunks that I know. I'm going to work with math that I know. So I'm going to draw my big 7. So here I have 4,879 divided by 21. I'm going to start off with 100 because I know that 21 times 100 is going to give me 2,100. So I'm going to take that chunk away because it's pretty big. I could have taken away a bigger chunk, but this is math that I know. It's not something that I had to think about too hard. I didn't have to work real hard to do it. It's just easy. Now, I can see that I can take out another 100. So 2 times 100, that's going to give me 2,100. I can take out that chunk again. So look how easy that is. And that leaves me with 679. Now, I would think, how many times would 21 go into 67? And I know that that's going to be 3 times. So that means that 21 will go into 679 probably about 30 times. So 21 times 30, and you could work this out off to the side. You could just take 21 times 30, and you would get 630, so I'm going to take this chunk away. That's going to leave me with 49. So 21 would go into 49 2 more times, because I know 21 times 2 is 42. So I'm going to subtract that, and then I get 7. Now, I can't take away any more chunks of 21, so I know that 7 is going to be my remainder, and now all I have to do is add these. So 100 plus 100 is 200. 200 plus 30 is 230. And 230 plus 2 gives me 232, remainder 7. I'm going to post the note sheet that I passed out in class on Wednesday on Edline, so you can refer back to that if you need to. I'm also going to post another video from Khan Academy on my YouTube page that gives some more examples of this, but we'll keep working in class. If you watch this video, I'm going to give you one more problem to solve, and if you solve this and bring it back to me, you can get $1 when you do so. But it has to be right, so you make sure you check yourself. Let's do 3, 6, 8, 9 divided by 5. I'll make it easy. Oh, and let's do one more. We'll do 2, 6, 7, here. 26,759 divided by 32. Might as well make it worth our while. Go ahead and solve these 2 problems using partial quotient division and bring them back to me completed. Make sure you check over your work, and you can get $2 when you do so. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all soon.